So we are evaluating a dual language student. We know we need a language sample. What we struggle with sometimes is, what are we looking for in that language sample? And how do we know if we see something that we don't expect? Is it typical? Is it not? Well, in this workshop, Dr. Talianisich Klinger of Our Lady of the Lake University is going to talk to us about linguistic disfluencies, or mazes as we call them, and how we know whether those are problematic or not, whether they are indicative of a language disorder or whether they are typical. So she'll walk us through how we can identify which mazes we should be concerned about and which ones we shouldn't. She'll talk a bit about the differences between dual language learners and monolingual speakers. So what do we look for there in terms of differences? And finally, she's going to support us with some intervention strategies to use when we do have a dual language learner or a monolingual speaker who is using mazes at a level that is not typical.